welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from General Insurance Corporation of India. So this is a government organization. Okay, so there is a recruitment for Scale 1 officers. There is 44 officers post for which they are recruiting. So they are actually looking for graduate, postgraduate people in the disciplines mentioned below. Okay, and only if you are willing to work in Mumbai location, you should apply for this post. Also, they have given the website link here towards the beginning itself. Okay. Next, let us see the details of the dates first. So the online registration will start from 11th of March. So it has already started. Last date for applying is 29th of March. And also the payment of fees you should have done in between these dates. The date of online examination also they have given us 9th May. That is the first week of May will be the examination. And there is a training, online pre-recruitment training for SC/ST or OBC and PWD candidates, and it will be from 26th April to 29th April. Okay, so these dates they have given in the beginning itself. So another thing they have given us, the candidates should apply online mode only. That is, you have to fill up the online application form. That is the application procedure. Now let us see the qualifications they are asking and the number of vacancies. First one, finance chartered accountant, 15 vacancies there. Qualification is graduation plus CA. Okay, if you read this, you will get to know that if you have a CA plus graduation plus C, that is graduation plus CA if you have, then only you are eligible to apply. And for your graduation, you should be having 60% of marks, and CA you should just pass. Final examination you should pass. Next, general manager, that is officer. 15 vacancies is there. Graduation with minimum 60% of mark only they are asking. So any graduate can apply for this post. Next is legal. 4 vacancies. Bachelor degree of law is the qualification they are asking with 60% of mark for general and OBC, 55% for SC/ST. The percentage they have mentioned is the same for all the categories. Next is insurance. 10 vacancy. Graduation with 60% of mark. And candidates should possess postgraduate degree or diploma in general insurance. If you have a general insurance diploma or postgraduate degree, then you will get a preference. Totally 44 openings is there. Okay. So the qualification also they have given here. Mostly graduation they are asking. Graduation plus insurance or graduation plus CA. This type of qualifications they are asking. Okay. So a lot of people are actually eligible out there. So the location of job we have given, that is we have seen in the beginning itself, and also they have given the reservation details and everything in the notification itself. The age limit is, minimum age limit is 21 years and the maximum age limit is 30 years. Also there is age relaxation for all the reserved categories. See here, for SC/ST, backward classes, then widows, ex-servicemen. You can see the age relaxation details also. Next. Also these things are for the persons with disabilities, the salary and all. Okay, so the basic pay, the salary is going to be 32,795 rupees per month plus allowances. Okay, total will be that is sum total of your salary will be 65,000 per month. Okay, so the first 1 year is going to be the probation period. Then after that, you will be getting the pay scale. Okay. Service location we have seen, it is Mumbai only. Selection process. Selection process will be on the basis of online examination, group discussion and interview, and then medical examination also. The date of the written examination or the online examination will be first week of May. Okay. Also, they have given the locations of the online examination. See here, mostly all locations of India, all major cities of India is having centers, test center. So don't worry about that. You will get a test center near your location itself. Okay. Next, let us go through the discipline of your online examination. For specialist post, there will be technical and professional knowledge from the respective discipline. That is for chartered accountants and for insurance. I think they have given here. You'll be having questions from the respective technical area. 40 questions and 40 marks. Reasoning 20 questions 20 mark, English 25 questions 25 marks, general awareness 20 questions 20 mark, numerical ability and computer literacy 50 questions 50 mark. Then there will be a comprehension examination, that is in the part C, the 30 marks and 3 questions. Okay, total mark is 150, number of questions is 123. Okay, for general stream, this is going to be the exam pattern. There will be higher order reasoning ability and critical thinking. This is actually a banking or insurance related area. So you have to do a lot of calculations and also critical thinking and reasoning. 40 questions, 40 mark. Reasoning just like that for the specialist candidates. 20 questions, 20 mark. English 25 questions, 25 marks. General awareness 25 questions, 25 mark. Reasoning and numerical ability and computer literacy 50 questions 50 mark. Again comprehension with 30 marks 3 questions. Okay, also the minimum qualifying mark for general, it is going to be 60 percentage and OBC 50 percentage. Sorry, general and OBC 60 percentage is a cutoff mark minimum. Okay, and for SC/ST it is going to be 50 percentage. So for overall selection process also, so this is the first thing they have given is for the online test. Then for the overall selection process, 60 percentage of mark for general and OBC, 50 percentage of mark for SC/ST. Okay. So that's all about the recruitment news. So we have seen all details. The last date for registration also we have seen here. See here the application procedure also they have mentioned in detail. Yeah. So this is the application procedure. You have to go to the website. You can directly click on this icon. Okay. See, it is a redirectable link they have given. So just click on this icon and apply online. You can apply till 29th of March. Okay. And there is fees for applying. The fees is 850 rupees plus GST for the general candidates and candidates belonging to SC/ST category. Female candidates and persons with disabilities are exempted from the fees. Okay. So they don't have to pay the fees. So female candidates also no need to pay the fees. Okay. Also, they have given some details, some instructions regarding the application, your mail ID, phone number, your photo and everything. So these are the details you have to keep in mind before applying. Okay. Also, they have given as step by step. See here, step by step, they have given the application procedure also. So just like any other application, online application, you have to fill up all your details, your educational qualification, your mail ID, phone number, photograph, everything. Also make the fee payment. Okay, and in which mode you have to pay the fees also they have given here, and some general instructions, the details of photograph or the image you are going to upload, the signature details, everything they have given in very clear format. So the last date for applying for this job is 29th of March. Selection process also we have seen: online examination, then group discussion, interview, and then medical examination. So that is going to be the selection process. Okay, so if you are interested in this job, please apply for it. It is a job update from General Insurance Corporation of India. Last date is 29th of March. So if you are interested, please do apply for this job update. So if you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more job updates or subject videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.